I would like you to fasten your seatbelts because we are about to take off.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board. It's K Global, everything aviation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm K Global. In previous episode, we started careers in aviation and I broke them into different categories. In the previous episodes, I started with the air crew. We talked about pilots and cabin crew. So in this new category, we'll be talking about maintenance and planning. I'll be starting in this episode to talk about aircraft maintenance engineering. But before I dive in, I would want you to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss future videos. Talking about the category of maintenance and planning, we're going to be talking about aircraft maintenance engineering. But before then, I'll need to clear the differences between aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, and aircraft maintenance engineering. So what is aerospace engineering? Aerospace engineering involves the designing and developing of civil aircraft, their maintenance, building, and testing of missiles, rockets, space shuttles, space stations, and all other related units. It's practically the broader aspect comprising various smaller fields of engineering. Actually, I call aerospace engineering the mother of aviation because everything stems from aerospace engineering. Aeronautical engineering basically is the practice of designing and building aircraft like airplanes and helicopters. So students who actually earn degrees, or people who earn degrees in aeronautical engineering, they take classes such as thermodynamics, heat transfer, aircraft structures, flight mechanics, aircraft stability and control. The task of these engineers actually just revolve around meeting. So this whole learning and these tasks of these things I've listed, they revolve around meeting with clients, reviewing design proposals. They also determine the cost of production, performing tests to access the safety of aircraft, studying product performance issues, recommending solutions, and most importantly, determining how to minimize environmental damage from aircraft. So as you can see, that's aerospace engineering and aeronautical engineering. Now, what is aircraft maintenance engineering? Aircraft maintenance engineering, which is also known as AME, is a specialized field of engineering focused on the inspection, the repair, the maintenance, and certification of aircraft to ensure their airworthiness and safety. So the aircraft maintenance engineers are responsible for diagnosing technical issues, performing routine maintenance, and ensuring that aircraft comply with aviation regulations before they are allowed to fly. So now I've talked about aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering, and aircraft maintenance engineering. Like I said earlier, aerospace engineering are like the mother of aviation, which they even give birth to different parts of engineering fields like orbital mechanics, computation mechanics, and the rest. Then also, aeronautical engineering, like I said earlier, is more specific into the design of aircraft within the Earth's atmosphere, while aircraft maintenance engineers now are the ones who maintain the aircrafts built and designed by the aeronautical engineers. So literally what this means is aircraft maintenance engineers are the ones who work with your airlines for day-to-day operations. So they are the one who work with the pilots, they are the one who work with other carriers amongst the categories I mentioned earlier in aviation. So I'll now be focusing on aircraft maintenance engineering.
K Global, everything aviation.